Please, you know you love Kingsley, please go to the line. The everyone to leave here, go to the line. If you are not online, that means you don't love Kingsley.
If you know you want Honorable Chinda to be the governor of Rivers State, come 2027, please say those against, say kneel. The eye has it. So please, we want to start with counting now. If you are in support, please join the line. We want a single profile. We want his line only. From here down to wherever it is.
Please, if you are not online, don't support, okay? So, if you are not online, you are not with us. They will not get you. And know we that if you are not online, you don't support, okay? Go a single line.
If you are not online,
they want the line to reach primary school. They will get you.
Single line.
Madam, one single line.
They stand the camera.
Madam, one single line. One single line.
What is distracting you and responding?
So this is the most I will not obstruct our shot.
Please.
He was telling him to come to our front.
4, 5,
Bro,
6,
don't shake me.
7, 8,
The natural sound you need, not mic.
11,
The natural sound you need, not mic.
14, 15,
This is what you need now, natural
17,
sound.
18, 19,
What you need now, natural sound.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 27,
Let's go.
28, 29, 30.
They don't count you.
They take it to me. You don't respect my WhatsApp. My son invitation in Iroele, and he didn't. What happened?
He's hereby declared winner. And this
I thank you for the peace, I thank you for the way we have organized ourselves, and I reassure you that by the special grace of God, as we go into the campaigns, we do it according to the law, and when we win, we will also serve you with the fear of God. God bless all of you.
The zeal, the joy and happiness in our people, the people of the All Progressive Congress in Rivers State. And I want to also put it on record that the processes we are going through are all the democratic process that will produce a leader, a servant that will actually come to serve the people. And clearly, all I will say is thank you to everybody, those who on their own, whether for personal interest or interest of the state, decided to make this process easier and more peaceful. I'm grateful to them, to leaders of the state that has found me worthy to fly the flag of the All Progressive Congress. I also appreciate them. I might not be the best in the state, but all the assurance I will give is that we are going to serve the people with the fear of God and respect for the rule of law.
Now, 3 people have stepped down for you. What's your view of this?
I appreciate them. I thank them for contributing towards the process. It's a democratic process.
So are you going to meet them so they can support you?
Well, clearly, I'm not alone. As you know, it's going to be a team. And our slogan is that if we win, you win. So the entire team will sit down, the party will sit down and chart a process going forward.
After the primaries and going to the contest proper, what should your people look forward to?
Sincerity in governance, proper accountability, a peaceful and progressive Rivers State is coming again.
I got promised God bless you for supporting the children.